Hey guys, it's Steve doing the video for Kyle for the Michael Jordan. And second place gets the Larry Bird auto jersey, and third place gets the RG3. There's the list. A couple of likes on it. That's the list I copied. I'm going to type live. It is 1 o'clock. 2 dice, no snake eyes. 12 times, good. Get a big one to mix these 300 names up. Here's the list, guys. Same list I copied out of the thread. I'm not going to read them. I'm just scroll down through quick. Same list that was in the thread. Alright guys, we're going 12 times. It is 1 o'clock. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. I'm just going to drag it down here, guys, make this quicker. Maybe. 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11th time we have Don, Dale, and Jay on top. And Trevor on the bottom. Dice roll was a 12. It is 102, 12th and final time. Top 3, good luck. Matthew, Scott, and Jay. Matthew will get the Jordan. Scott will get the Larry Bird jersey, and Jay will get the RG3. Jay has been on a killer streak. That adds to it. Congratulations, you three. Matthew, Scott, and Jay. Dice roll was 12. Heck. 12 times. And it was Matthew. What the heck? Matthew, Scott, and Jay. Alright, guys. You three, Matthew, Scott, and Jay, send your info to Kyle. It is 103 now. I'm going to type done. And it is 103. Thanks, guys.